It is fake. Everything is fake, and you have huge obsession with that country. So this is the second suit of that series. She must have got it in local market for a cheap price. So this is how I got these suits from that country. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glam with Chitri. Hope you all are doing well. So this is the part 2 of my series of Pakistani suits. You all loved my first episode of the Pakistani series. So first of all, I want to thank you for all your support, and I got so many questions asking how you got these Pakistani suits. Is it really possible to get it from that country? And few viewers also commented me that it's all fake. How can you get it from that country? She must have got it in a local market for a cheap price, and showing here as original pieces so and so. Okay, I'll explain how I got these suits from that country at the end of this video. I got so many suggestions also. The lady who has sent them to me, and I have contacted with her also, and she has explained it very well how to get it done and which piece goes where, and it's little different from what we get in India, and it's really very interesting, and these elements are really beautiful. Maybe in North India you may get such kind of suits which you can customize according to your needs, but in South India we don't get them like that. And now here I'm showing the second piece of this series, and let's see how different is this piece. Let's go. So this is the second suit of that series, because I got so many comments saying that it is fake, everything is fake, and how can you get it from that country, and you have huge obsession with that country and all. I don't know what to say to those audience. I just want to clear it out that these are the original suits from that country. I'll just show you so you can see it clearly. This is the cost of this suit. Let's open this and see how different is this from the first one.
Okay, this suit has come with 10 different pieces which you can customize according to your needs. It's as beautiful as the previous one which I showed you in my earlier video. The earlier one has cotton thread embroidery on it. This suit is embellished with zari embroidery with sequin work on it. Honestly, it is such a beautiful pastel pista color suit with very minimal embroidery detailing. I'm sure it will give wedding appropriate look once it is done stitching. By the way, the previous pink suit is under the stitching process. We'll definitely show you guys once it is ready.
Okay, now it's time to reveal the biggest mystery of this series, that how I got all these suits from that country. Okay, here is the story. One of my brothers stays in US, and he has one of the colleagues from Pakistan. They brought these suits during their visit to their native country and carried them all the way from Pakistan to US to my brother's place. Later my brother shipped them to my place in India, and this is how I got them all the way from the Pakistan. So these suits have traveled all the way from Pakistan to US and to my place in India. So this is how I got these suits from that country. So now I hope everything is clear to you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye.